In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in FigJam. If you collaborate in Figma, adding teammates to a FigJam board is the fastest way to get ideas flowing together, and the process only takes a moment. First, open your browser and head to figma.com, then sign in with your account. Once you're in, click FigJam from the top of the homepage, or pick the FigJam file you've been working on from your recent files. This opens the board where you want to collaborate. Look toward the top right corner of the board and click the Share button. This is the hub for inviting people and controlling who can view or edit your board. You'll see two simple options. The first option is to invite people directly by email. In the invite field, type the email addresses of the people you want to bring in. You can paste multiple addresses, separated by commas or spaces. Before sending, choose the right permission level. Typically, can edit if you want them to add sticky notes, draw, or move content, or can view if you only want them to observe. Double-check spelling so your invites go to the right place, then send the invitation. Recipients will receive a notification and can open the board instantly. The second option is to use Invite by Link. Click the Invite by Link tab to generate a shareable URL. Set the access you want this link to grant. Again, choose between View or Edit, and decide whether the link should be open to anyone with the link or limited to people you've specifically invited. Copy the link and share it in your team chat or calendar invite. For security, only share this link with people you trust, and avoid posting it publicly. Before you wrap up, make sure the board title is clear so invitees recognize it at a glance. When you share a link, include a short note about the purpose of the session and whether people should edit or just view. This sets expectations and helps your collaborators jump in confidently. A quick note, if you don't see the share button or you can't change permissions, you may not have rights on that file or workspace. In that case, ask the file owner or your admin to adjust access. Also, some organizations restrict sharing to people within the company domain, so stick to company email addresses when needed. That's it. Open your FigJam board, hit share, invite by email for direct control, or switch to invite by link when a quick URL is easier. With the right permissions set, your collaborators can jump in and start contributing right away.